Hi, my name is Allie. I run Green Witch Wrapping, a crystal and wire wrap store, and today I'm going to show you 3 super cute and easy ways to wrap raw stones. I pretty much only use these 3 tools, just some snippers, round pliers, and flat nose pliers. Just for this demonstration, I will be using German style wire. This is craft wire that you can buy from Michaels. And this does tarnish, even though it says tarnish resistant. That is a lie. And I will get into that in another video. So first you're gonna pick a raw stone. And I think I'll pick this one first. So the length of wire that you're going to need is greatly going to depend on the size of your stone. I'm using about this length, I'd say maybe like over a foot, and then you're going to fold it in half. You're going to then take your round nose pliers and make a little bail, like so. Take one of the wires and twist it around the other one. And it just gives it a little bit of a cleaner look. Some people don't do that. You don't have to do that, so I'd say that's good enough. All right, so now that we've done that, you're gonna place the bail on the back and you're gonna fold the wire around. And each stone is going to be a little bit different. So this might work for your stone, it might not, but that's why I'm going to give you a few different ways to do this. So you're going to hold the wire in the middle and you're going to just twirl the wires around each other. And it's okay if it's kind of loose and looking kind of crazy at first, because you can really easily fix that. So taking one wire, so for example, I'm going clockwise, so both of the wires are just going clockwise around each other, like so. But once you have the size you would like, here's how you can tighten this real snug. So you're just gonna grab the bail with your flat pliers and just twist it until it's super snug. And then we're gonna make it even more snug. And so then you're going to wrap both of the wires around and you're gonna take the longest one and we're gonna twirl that like so. Beautiful. And then for the second piece of wire, you can either add a swirl to the front, which I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna add a little tiny swirl to the front. You can add it to the back, whichever flows best with your piece. Personally, kind of flatten it out so it doesn't hook on anything. And so there is one way to wrap a raw stone. Again, if this piece is loose, just keep twisting it until it's super snug. On to option 2. So I've got this stone. I honestly have no idea what it is. I definitely found this rock hounding. It might be feldspar. It might just be a piece of concrete, but I'm pretty sure it's feldspar. So you're going to take another maybe 10 to 12 inch piece of wire and put it in half and then make a bail. So this time it's going to be a little bit different. We're just going to leave it just like this and do kind of crossover like this and place it on top. just like that. And then you're gonna fold the wire over. And then from here, you're gonna take your flat nose pliers and you're gonna take the loose pieces of wire and pinch it in half. And you're gonna do the other thing, same thing to the other side. Oops, sorry. Pinch it. So it should be looking like this so far. And then you're just gonna kind of twirl it around. So you're gonna kind of overlap the pieces, and then I will make my way up back to the bail to secure one piece of wire, like so. And the best way to finish this off, pinch it, and then I'm gonna loop the end into the bail, kind of pinch it inside so it's not gonna snag anybody. And then with this other piece, you can do the same thing. You can loop it up, or you can add a swirl to the bottom, but I think I'm going to just loop it up as well. So there is the second way to wrap a raw stone. I think I'll definitely have to say this is my favorite one. So again, we're going to get about a 12-inch piece of wire, fold it in half and make a bail. And then you're going to fold over both the wires on top of each other. And this might be a little tricky for beginners, but I promise you get the hang of it. So you're gonna hold on to both of the wires super snug. And we're gonna make a little loop like that. Hold both of the sides like so, and then you're gonna grab your flat nose wires. You also might find a better way to hold your stone. We're gonna pinch the wire like that. And then we're gonna do another little half loop. And as you guessed it, oh yeah, we made a heart, baby. And you can kind of play around with the shape of it. You can have it sideways if you want. You can also mess with it and make it a little bit straighter. I kind of like it like this. And then I'm going to personally wrap it behind, but your stone might be a little bit different. It might work a little bit better to do it sideways or diagonally, but I like this. And then I'm going to secure that wire around the bail. So if you have a little bit of wire left, leave it and I will show you what to do with it. You can do a little swirl, or you can just cut it right here and tuck it in. And so for this second wire, I'm going to bend it like so and kind of put it around just to secure the stone, make sure it's snug. Again, there's probably some other ways you could do this. It'll really just depend on the shape of your stone and the grooves of it. But I'm just gonna do a little layer on the outside, and then I'm gonna secure it on the bail. But to secure the edge, you can just press down on your stone, and if you secured it tight enough on the bail, it should be perfectly snug And now if you kept this little wire, just make a cute little loop. When in doubt, I always make a loop. And that is it. Super cute. It is very snug, not going anywhere. Thank you for watching. I really hope you found this tutorial useful. Please subscribe to my YouTube for more fun tutorials like this, and definitely leave suggestions down below. I do have a crystal and wire wrap shop, so please feel free to visit that down below. I am green witch wrapping on pretty much all social media, so find me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all that good stuff. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.